Hi guys, now for this video I just want to do something quick and simple. I want to show you guys how to make a basic scoring system. Just something that will, let's say, have you break a block, and whenever you break a block, any block, it'll increment your score by 1, and there's no way for you to lose points. I just wanted to show you that quick if you were thinking of adding this to your final mod. So, what we're going to do is just create a very simple block break function. Block break. And of course a block break event to go along with it. Now, scoring really does work best when it's tied in with events. Without using events, since events do act as the actions of Minecraft, there's really not much you can do. You can't say like, okay, drone, place these 5 things, and when you're done, give me 10 points. That doesn't really have any skill. So most scoring stuff is always tied to events. So of course, let's reference break. Okay, so at the very top of our mod, we want to make a new variable named score. Set it to 0, of course. Now, let's say the one thing we want to do is say like, okay, when score equals 10, then game's over, and it tells us we won. So in block break, we don't even need to check the type. We just want to say, okay, whenever a block is broken, let us increment score by 1, which means add 1 to score. So what we can do is we can go into math, and we can scroll down to this block right here that says change item by 1. So what this block does is this allows you to add whatever number you put here to whatever variable you say here. So let's say score. So we can change score by 1 every time a block breaks. We can also subtract score by just making this a negative number. So if we did change score by -1, that would subtract 1 from the variable score every time we broke a block. So if we have that, then let's just put a very simple logic thing in here. It says if score equals 10, just say just say like, wow, you won. You won. Very exciting. Very exciting N as well. And then else, if it's 10 or, actually, let's just make this greater than or equal to 10. So anytime you keep breaking past 10, it'll still say that. Else, it'll just tell you the score. Your score is, we get out a create text with block so that we can bind the text block to the variable, print out both of them. All right, so this is super duper simple. Let's mod it, give it a try. 10 score, let's see what happens. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, you won, and we keep bringing the box. It continues to say you won. Awesome, so that is just a very, very simple way of how to make a scoring system. Now, of course, I want you to take this and make a more complex scoring system. It doesn't have to be with block breaks. It could be whenever you kill something. It could be whenever you hit something. But just, this is the very basics. I want to see you guys take this concept and make it fully functioning, solid, slick, losing, winning, scoring, all that stuff. I'm excited to see what you can do with this knowledge.